Hello. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here.
Hi, Zoe. I'm good, but I'm a little tired. I stayed up late working yesterday. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. I had a busy morning, but I'm excited to talk about our jobs today.
Yes, that's a fun topic. So, Zoe, what exactly do you do for your job?
I'm a kindergarten teacher. I teach young children, usually between 5 and 7 years old.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. What do you teach them?
I teach them English, basic numbers, colors, and also life skills like sharing and helping each other.
Wow, that's very important work. How do you spend a typical day at school?
Well, I arrive at school at 7:30 a.m. I prepare my classroom, check the lesson plan, and get everything ready for the children. The children arrive at 8 a.m. First, we sing a good morning song. Then we learn new words, colors, and numbers. After that, we play some fun games to practice what we learned.
That sounds very busy. Do you get tired by the afternoon?
Sometimes, yes. But seeing the kids happy and learning new things makes it all worth it. What about you, Leo? What do you do at your job?
I work as a customer service assistant for an online store. My main job is to help customers with their questions, orders, and any problems they face.
That's interesting. Can you give me an example of a problem you help solve?
Sure. For example, if a customer orders a product and it doesn't arrive on time, they contact me. I check the tracking, communicate with the delivery team, and update the customer. Sometimes I even give discounts if there's a delay.
Oh, I see. So you need to be very patient and polite.
Yes, exactly. Patience is very important. Sometimes customers are upset, but I try to stay calm and solve the problem.
That is a very useful skill. And do you work from home or in an office?
Mostly from home. I have a small office corner in my apartment. It's comfortable, and I can work in my pajamas if I want.
Wow, that's nice. I wish I could work in pajamas too, but my job is at school, so I need to wear my uniform or casual professional clothes.
Makes sense. What do you like most about teaching children?
I love how curious and energetic they are. They ask so many questions. Sometimes it's loud and chaotic, but it's fun. What about you? What do you like most about your job?
I like helping people and making their day better. When a customer thanks me for solving their problem, I feel proud and happy.
That is a rewarding feeling. Sometimes my students learn a new word or song and they feel so happy. It feels really good to see their smiles.
Yes, that feeling of helping someone is very rewarding.
Do you have coworkers, Leo?
Yes, I have a team of 5. We have weekly meetings online to discuss tasks and problems. They are supportive and funny.
That's good. My coworkers are other teachers and the school principal. We plan lessons together and sometimes share teaching ideas.
That sounds very organized. Speaking of organization, do you plan your lessons every day?
Yes. I prepare lesson plans, activities, and games for the children. I also think about songs, stories, and worksheets. Planning takes time, but it helps the day run smoothly.
Planning is important. I also make a daily to-do list. I check emails, respond to customers, update records, and finish tasks on time.
Wow, that's a lot. How long do you work every day?
Usually 8 hours, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And you?
I start at 7:30 a.m. and finish around 2 p.m. but sometimes I spend extra time preparing lessons or grading worksheets.
That is dedication. Do you enjoy your work even when it's hard?
Same here. Sometimes dealing with upset customers is stressful, but solving problems makes me happy. It's like completing a project successfully.
Speaking of projects, do you have big projects at your job?
Yes, sometimes I work on big orders, like organizing a new product launch. It takes a lot of planning and communication with my team.
That's interesting. I also have projects. For example, I prepare a small class performance or organize a theme week like Colors Week or Fruit Week.
That sounds fun. How do children react to these activities?
They love it. They participate, sing songs, draw pictures, and share what they learned. Their energy is amazing.
It sounds like both of our jobs involve creativity in different ways.
True. You create solutions and organize work. I create learning activities and experiences for kids.
Exactly. And both jobs require patience, planning, and responsibility.
Yes, responsibility is very important. I need to make sure children are safe and learning. And you need to make sure customers are happy and supported.
That's right. Every job has challenges, but also rewards.
Definitely. What about skills, Leo? What skills do you need for your job?
I need good communication, patience, problem-solving skills, and some technical skills for our software.
Very useful skills. I need patience, organization, creativity, and kindness. Kids need to feel safe and happy.
That is very important. If you weren't a teacher, what job would you like to try?
Maybe a tour guide. I like talking to people and showing new things. And you?
I think I'd like to be a chef. I enjoy cooking, and it's relaxing.
That's interesting. So maybe one day we can have a coffee shop where I show the city and you make the food.
With me as the chef and you as the guide. Perfect. And I'll design the logo for the shop.
A smiling coffee cup? That would be fun.
Leo, I think we've talked a lot about our jobs today.
Yes, Zoe. I feel like I know your classroom and students, and you know about my team and home office.
Today, we also learned some new words like client, rewarding, coworker, routine, project, skills, and responsibility.
Right. Learning English is like a project itself. Listening, speaking, and practicing every day makes it easier.
Exactly. And remember, everyone, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Yes. Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy your work or your dream job.
Now it's your turn. What is your job? Or what is your dream job? Write it in the comments. For example, I am a student, or I want to be a doctor. We would love to read your answers.
That's all for today. Keep practicing English with us and keep learning every day.